Well, I'm gathering the eggs today, and I got quite a few of them. It's actually a good day today. The chickens have been really laying really light lately. I know a lot of it has to do with the weather change. It's getting cold now, and it's that time of year, but they're still laying. A couple over here, and then our duck lays down here. All the ducks lay in this bottom one. And not a bad day's haul. Check to make sure there's none in there. These guys are ready to get fed, but I'm getting the coop ready for cold weather, as I got to do every year. Actually, this year it's not quite as cold yet as it normally is. It's, you know, November here, almost mid-November, and we usually have a lot of snow. It's snowing right now, but we usually have snow on the ground. Last year we got crushed all year round, but wanted to show you, if you can see this here. I'm breaking this out today. This is a water base heater that the water there gets put on, and it has a thermostat built into it. When it gets down to freezing, it kicks on. Keeps the water from freezing. And I'm also mixing some, I was going to show you how I do that, oyster shells. If you can see that, since the egg laying's been down a little bit, I have this bag of crushed up oyster shells, and all you do is you mix that in the food a little bit, and helps them with their, you know, egg production. And then I just kind of mix that in with try to get all mixed in a little bit, and I'll put a few more of that in as I get down to the middle here every day. But kind of, like I said, helps them with their egg production. Sometimes they're not getting the necessary nutrients in their body that they need for the eggs. So, and look at, they're all waiting. Alright, I'm going to hook this base heater up today. And like I said, it doesn't even kick on until it gets real cold. But I set it in here. And I set the water on top of it. And I have a plug up here that I keep it plugged into. And that'll keep the water from freezing. I'm going to get some water in there. I'll show you how we set that on there. Well, they're feeding. It's usually a battle when the food comes out, but that is the base heater there. As you can see, the water's on top of it. And it's plugged in, and like I said, it doesn't come on unless the temperature hits freezing. Then it kicks on by itself. And so that's what you got to deal with in the cold weather. And we've been lucky so far. It hasn't been too bad yet. What are you doing there? There's one of my mallards. She's a laying machine. These other chickens I have these 4 here. I was just helping some friends of ours out because they got these chickens when they're little, but they have some other ones, and they wanted us to raise them for a while till they start getting ready to lay, which will be any time. So I have this little side coop here I keep, you know, for when I get chicks and stuff to raise them in. So, but they'll only be here probably for a little while longer. But there's definitely 1 rooster there and 3 hens. And So, quick update from the homestead.